Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So, I wanted to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So, to start, I went and Googled concrete, Asheboro, North Carolina. And this area down here is what's called the map pack, okay? And the top three listed here are usually the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And I see that you're already in the top three, which is already a great start. And the way you can keep yourself in the top three is by first having a Google Business profile. Second is filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, the phone number, photos, just making sure everything's filled out. And the third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages and Chamber of Commerce. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be in the top three, and most especially on the front page. And that's including just clicking on it and going straight to the website, not going through Home Advisor or anything like that. So I wanted to pull up your website and kind of go over what's going on with it. And so the main thing you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, primarily on the home page. And this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being that if your competitor will say has about 1,000 words on their homepage, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers. They go through and they read the content of the website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords, and keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled concrete Asheboro, North Carolina, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search, and Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help your website rank. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you one of the competitors in the area, and incidentally, this one is really relatively close to you, in fact, up on the same street. I pulled up Luna Metal Buildings and Concrete, and they are on the same street as you. So I wanted to show you what you were up against. And also one thing I wanted to go over real quick was the UR and the DR ratings, because they're really important where you fall within the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so what these numbers are doing is they're looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is. And the higher up that they are, the more powerful your site is, and the better you're going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can click on the ones that they have, go through those and get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And so last and most importantly, I wanted to talk about the organic keywords within the content that I was talking about earlier. So for example, I'll pull up Luna Metal Buildings keywords just to show you what that looks like. So the volume column is what we're looking at is the number of people that are clicking on specific keywords in a month. So let's just say metal buildings with concrete slab near me. So people are typing that in as a keyword search. 250 people look for that in a month. Okay. Metal building packages with concrete. 150 people look at that a month. Metal building with concrete slab in NC. 150 people look for that. Metal buildings. 73,000 people are looking for those keywords right there in a month. Metal buildings with concrete. 30 people. So this is just giving you an idea of the type of keywords that are being searched for. Okay. Metal buildings prices. 2,000 people are looking for that. Can you imagine if that was all over your website? The volume of people that are looking for that. So that's something that to also look into. But it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for those terms, the more people are going to find you and the more people are going to call you. And in turn, the more business you're going to land. And real quick, I also I wanted to show you the difference on what's going on the back end of your website versus their website as well. So you saw how much was going on in terms of keywords and traffic. You have 21 keywords on your website with 7 people coming through on your website a month. So the difference is huge in terms of what's going on the competitor's website. So I just want to kind of show you that as well. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing any opportunities. So take care and have a great day.